Hello, welcome to our new video. Right now Samsung television not working or maintenance problem today. Let's see why Samsung television not working. You can see this server is under maintenance. Please try again later problem. Right now on Samsung television. To see the causes of the problem, open on Chrome browser. Search on Samsung TV television ground detector. This problem will be fixed after some time because this is happening for some new update. Thanks for watching.